Go home happy with the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, alarm. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.